Ever since I bought my Forester SDI, I've always thought it's not loud enough for my sort of liking. It's not a quiet car, so to speak, but it's just not got much to it. So I'm going to go see about getting someone to cut over my back box, take the crap out and weld it back shut. Before I actually go get my exhaust done, I thought I'm going to do some just do a quick drive as you drive the car normally, so to speak, rather than full throttle, just so you can hear like the normal day driving difference of what it'll sound like when it's done. Well, this video hasn't gone to plan. The person at the exhaust shop can't do it because his welder has been stolen, and when I had the car up on the ramp when we were taking a look at it, I found out I've got a coolant leak again. I've now got the new genuine mishimoto pipe to go to the radiator, so instead I'm going to fit that. Open the bonnet, let this cool down for an hour or so, then I will be changing the coolant. Well, changing the coolant pipe and putting in new coolant. I'm letting the car cool down now, and it feels like I'm waiting forever, but it's still boiling hot. I'm not having a fun day really. I wanted to be driving about with a louder exhaust, bit of a nicer sound, and instead I'm going to fix fucking coolant. Luckily I've got the Mishimoto pipe. It is what it is. Shouldn't have bodged it the previous time, but here we go. Got a question for anyone with a Forester. Do they know how to get to the rear spray for the rear window without removing a battery? Because every time I remove my battery I lose all my radio stations, and I don't want that to happen again. But what I'm wanting to do basically is remove the rear wiper jet, put it to go to basically the top mount, and they'll then have a water spray for the intercooler. The car's cooled down a bit. I've first removed the radiator cap and the header tank cap. See, we haven't lost much coolant, but it's just starting to seep through again, so I want to fix that. To do it you don't really need much. For me, this to undo the factory clip, and a flatted screwdriver. I've got two sizes just to do the Jubilee clips. See how that works out. Also a jack and a bucket help a lot. So I'll just see if we can see the leak pipe. As we see, just starting to seep through there. I would film me doing this, but I don't want to soak my phone in coolant, so I'm not going to. Oh, it's going everywhere. It only happens to one person, it only happens to me. So as I lay down in piss and wet coolant, I'm trying to show you what I'm doing now. Push that over there, I'm going to drop 2 Jubilees on, then push that over there, tighten it up, then I'm going to refill the coolant and bleed it all out. So I finally figured it out, I had it on the wrong way. But I've got it on now, just need to nip it all up, then drop the car down and fill the coolant. So, let the car down. I'm going to be using 2.5 litres of this, filling the rest with water. But, just had my hose on, car ran over the hose, broke my hose. So I've got to fix that before I can fill that up. So I've just filled the coolant and water up, mix it all together. I've been letting it settle now for about 5-10 minutes. Usually I'd say leave it as long as possible to settle with the caps off, maybe overnight, then finish it off in the morning, but personally I don't have time. So once I've done this, well, once I've had a wait, I'm going to go start the car, let it run for a bit, see how it bleeds. Make sure to have the heaters on as you do it. So if you need to fill it any more, fill it a bit more, then that's alright. Head of tank's full. Give it a start, have your heaters on, then see how it bleeds. Cocked up, got an airlock because I didn't put the caps on quick enough. So I'm now letting that settle, then I'll try again. Earlier on in the video it was on about finding the water pipe, so it goes to here, blah blah blah, under here, then it goes down here, and this is what I mean, do we have to remove the battery? It goes into there, and I can't see anything else after that. I think it goes into the wing, so I might not have to. But then I don't know which one's which. But the washer bottle's there, so probably will be a battery out job. I can't see anything else. So coolant's all bled up now, and we've got a nice fancy Mishimoto pipe on. That has no leaks. Oh. Today's video just hasn't gone as planned really, so yeah. I put the videos of the flames in at the start of the video just to make up for the shit video it was. See you next time, where hopefully I will have a new exhaust and it will sound better.